life's like. I'll tell you one quick story about myself. I have, alhamdulillah, 4 children. But my oldest daughter, Husna, when you have, how many of you have more than one child? Okay, those of you that do can testify to this. When you have your first child, everything's awesome about them. Oh my God, a tooth! Or oh my God, they're standing. Oh my God, they said something. Even if they said, yeah. Right? It's amazing. Right? Did you record that? By the time you have your 3rd, 4th child, you're like, what's his name again? But everything about the first child is special. I'm at home, I'm making salah. And my daughter is like on the side. Okay? Now, Allah Azza wa Jall's favor on the human being, He didn't give him tunnel vision, He gave him peripheral view too. Right? So I'm making salah, but she's in my view. Okay? And for the first time in her life, she put her feet on the ground, hands on the ground, pushed off, and she's standing up for the first time. Right? This is my first child, and it's standing up for the first time, and I'm in salat. So I'm in salah, and I did this. Because it's a big deal. And it so happened, by the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jal, I was reciting Surah Al-Munafiqun to myself. And the next ayah I recited to myself was يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا لَا تُلْهِكُمْ أَمْوَالُكُمْ وَلَا أَوْلَادُكُمْ عَنْ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ وَمَنْ يَفْعَلْ ذَلِكَ فَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ. SubhanAllah. Those of you who have iman, don't allow your money or your kids to take you away from the remembrance of Allah. And whoever does so, those are the ultimate losers. SubhanAllah. What difference does it make when you know what you're reciting and when you don't know what you're reciting? If I don't know what I'm reciting, I go past it and I finish my salah. And if I know what I'm reciting, I forget that I have a child. My whole world starts collapsing in front of me because Allah speaks directly to my life. There's a difference. So this is probably the #1 reason we should say Arabic is important.